time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Power Hour Live, Tuesday, January 7th. S&P down 51.50. Very close to lows of day. NASDAQ down 320, Russell down 18, Dow down 98. Gold and silver both up around 0.5%. Notes and bonds are red. 10-year yield up 1.5%. Oil up over 1%. Natural gas down over 6%. The grain's pretty flat. Wheat finished a little bit green. Euro and the pound slightly red. Bitcoin down 6%, sitting at a little over 96,000. VIX up 9%. Back in the 17 handle, sitting at 17.60. For me today, I had a RIC that hit 35%. My BICs are slightly red. I had one double stop on a one-lot tranche from this morning. The other ones, well, I've still got one that has not hit any stops. The others have hit one-sided stops. So still a chance at some green on the BICs. I've done two tranches of price action BICs. One got stopped on the put side with no profit targets. The other one I hit 20 and 40%. Still holding part of that one. No 1 DTE today, but I do have my 1 DTE that I transformed from yesterday, which is looking good for a potential max profit. If we can stay below 59.40, I would hit max. Day trading, a little bit red this morning. I posted a video in the day trading chat. Pretty tough price action for trades that I took. I think that is it for me. Chad, how's your day?
Yeah, it's pretty tough this morning. I got caught in that flush when I was long, a couple mighty 90s, and the mighty 90s, they don't really have a line in the sand when they go against you. So that was kind of tough. I put on a 1 DT and I should never have. I went against my own rules. So that got stopped in the flush. So that's just my own fault. Bad trading. Besides that, it's been okay. I mean, I had a full stop on my first AM number one. Then booked 20, 40, 60 and out. And then I have a lunchtime number one that I booked 20% on. And honestly, it's off center. So I've been looking to add, but well, I needed to see some consolidation here, and we're kind of seeing it now. So may look to add. We'll see what price does here in the next 5 or 10 minutes. But it is off center to the left.
Yeah, this one, I don't know. Kind of looks like it might just chop sideways. Kind of looks like the bottom might fall out. I can't decide.
Right. And I'm my other account. I'm in the early Wooga that you got in.
Yeah, I'm putting my Woogas together here on toss. I did them in Tradier.
Ideally, a bounce would help both my positions that I currently have on.
All right, so my two Wugas, I've got the both are 10 wide. I've got the 25s and 40s and the 20s and 35s. So 15 between the short strikes, but wings are 10 wide on both. As far as, well, looking at the sectors first, we've got energy is green, healthcare is green, biotech, financials, basically break even. We started the day with semiconductors. SMH was green. And then it sure seemed like the whole NVIDIA event was kind of a buy the rumor, sell the news type situation, because the NVIDIA ticked a new all-time high and then the bottom just dropped right out. So just barely ticked an all-time high. And I mean, it's been red all day from the get-go. So along with some of the other chip stocks, drug SMH down. All the cryptos are down. Looking at individual stocks, we've got MSTR is down over 11%, Coinbase down 8%, NVIDIA is down 5.5%, Robinhood down 5%, Tesla down 4.5%. On the green side, GameStop is up 3.6%. MU is holding its own. It's definitely off of its highs, but it held up better than any other chip stocks. An initial push, it's been just kind of chopping inside of its first 30-minute range, basically. Yeah, my Lando, I didn't use a bot for my Wugas, and the strikes were just kind of in between, so I went a little bit wider on mine. Creeping down towards lows of days, VIX creeping up towards highs of day. NASDAQ, pretty similar, just kind of grinding down towards the lows. As far as calendars today, closed out my 1-2 for a small loser, down 6%. Closed out my 1-4 for a winner, 8%+8%. My 5-7, well, let me bring this on the screen here. My 5-7 is up over 8%. My 2-4 is up a little over 6%. And my 1-3 that I put on today is up a little bit, 2%.
All right, so I just added, because my lunchtime one is off center.
So my two Wugas need one needs to stay above 59.20. The other above 59.15. Man, my toss is kind of grinding today. I don't have anything else open abnormally. Something is holding it back. Here's my last contract on my price action BIC, and it just got stopped.
Yeah, my lunchtime got stopped after 20%.
Puts are worth 15 cents. I'm just gonna go ahead and sell them. Sell it. I'll try to get 15. Cracking lows. Previous low was 59.19.46.
Yeah, it's not what I wanted to have happen right after I put on a trade.
You survive it?
Oh yeah, it didn't really get too close to getting stopped, but it would have kept going. It would have. You never want to see a big move literally within minutes of putting a trade on.
Right. Not the best feeling. So all I have on is my my Woogas basically. Woogas and Bix. Liquid One, how's the TLC VWAP trading going? You're on here. Pretty decent little red day. S&P's down a full percent. NASDAQ is down over 1.5. Russell's down almost 1. Dow holding up the best, down 0.38%.
Yeah, definitely did not see this one coming today. Had an 80-point move down in the S&P right after the open.
Yeah, I mentioned it in my day trading video. I completely blanked, totally forgot about jolts.
Yeah, me too.
And so I'm not sure exactly how I would have traded it differently, but certainly sent it moving. Netflix has been kind of feeling like it wants to rally. I mean, it put in that flushed below yesterday's lows, and it's been kind of grinding higher since this morning compared to a lot of other stocks. It's now green. VIX approaching 18. NASDAQ not quite down to lows of day. Not getting any VXX contraction today. It's up almost 5%, of course. Well, I just took a double stop on my last big tranche. So BICs are going to be red. When we had that spike earlier, I was looking at adding a potential vertical risk reversal in VXX, but the options in the February monthly, the 45-day options are just garbage. Like you've got, bid-ask spread of 19 by 83. Even up at around the 30 delta, it's 194 by 216. I mean, a couple of the strikes are decent, but I gotta wait for some better liquidity to come in there. I didn't check UVXY.
It's a pretty rough price action lately.
Tesla hitting new lows, Nvidia heading towards lows, Microsoft heading towards lows, Amazon, Google, MU. Below 59.10.
Yeah, my power hour got stopped.
VIX back above 18.
Brutal. I've never seen a JOLTS report really though set this in motion like it did today. It has some effect, but I don't remember having this big of an effect. Did you hear? Like, was it? I didn't. I was live streaming when it came on, so
No, I mean, I never pay attention to the actual report.
yeah. I don't know what's causing this.
Somebody
You know,
posted in the day trading channel, I think. Oh, wait, no.
this is pretty good sell off here.
Where was that? Somebody posted somewhere. I think, was it Watson? Watson, did you post that somewhere? I don't remember where I saw it. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if maybe it was well, let me see what Financial Juice has to say. I don't know if it was a big kind of a surprise.
I mean, S&P's moved down over 90 points.
So job openings actual was 8.09 million versus a forecasted 7.74. So a lot more job openings than normal, I guess. Kind of a surprise. ISM services was at the same time a little higher than projected, but who knows? So I didn't watch any of the Trump speech, but man, some of these updates on Financial Juice are hilarious. Trump, I will change the name of the Gulf of Mexico to the Gulf of America. And I think we're buying Canada and Greenland. Buckle up. Buckle up for the next 4 years. Might be the year of the Rick.
Yeah, it might be.
He didn't say that in the state or in his statement in his address, but he's been He's been kind of talking tongue in cheek about making Canada the 51st state, and Trudeau was going to be the governor. Which I think Trudeau just resigned, didn't he? I think I heard. Trump, we don't need anything that Canada has. Oh man. At 59.10, and Neil says 5,900 incoming. Based on his magic indicator.
Yeah, pretty safe to say my Woogle's not gonna get green today.
Don't start counting Wooga out already.
I hate to count it out, but
He's done some amazing things.
It needs an amazing bounce.
Yeah, need back above 20. Well, looks like my one DTE from yesterday is safe for a max profit.
My Woog is so far below, it's almost off my screen, the price point. Haven't seen that in a while.
Keep falling. I just caught out of the corner of my eye. Sound started to bounce, but looks like it's coming back down. Coins down almost 10%. MU still up 2.6% on the day, but way off of its highs. It's had quite a run the last 4 sessions, though, from 85 up above 106. SPX down to 04. Something's dinging on my trade here. I'm not sure what order that would be.
I should have left my puts on. Would have been worth a little bit more.
Oh, my 2-4 closed because the put was tested. Down to what did we hit, Anil? Did we get there? 5,900.25. Almost tagged it to the tick. Did you borrow Krish's crystal ball? How'd you know that? Krish on here? Where's Krish been? Uh-oh. Krish, Anil's saying his crystal ball is better than yours. What do you think about that? I think Krish is ignoring me. Krish, come in, Krish. All right, so we're gonna bounce off 5,900 here. Anil, where are we going now? We gonna bounce? Are we done with our down move for the day? You're 1 for 1. See if your crystal ball has a 20-point bounce in it. All right. Wait, bottom of the hour or half hour? Bottom of the hour, market will be closed. Oh, is it? Okay. That makes sense. If you look at a clock, 30 minutes is on the bottom. See, I learned something new today from you guys. That's why I keep you guys around. All right, you have 3 minutes. Then we need our prediction. We don't need hindsight, Lando. We need forward thinkers here. Oh, Krish is back. Krish, did you hear me calling your name? Did you have me muted? How dare you? I was just saying that it looks like Anil has a better crystal ball than you. And I was just curious how you felt about that. He just predicted about 20 minutes ago that we're hitting 5,900 and we tagged it. And he's about to give us another prediction here in 2 minutes. What kind of construction are you doing? Doing a little remodel? No, back down to 5,900. The bathroom broke. Okay. Still holding above 5,900. About 30 minutes till the bell. All right, bottom of the hour. Time's up. $59.05 butterflies trading for about 60 cents. $5,900 is trading for about the same. Chris, I don't want your technical analysis. I want your crystal ball prediction. No hedge. You don't hedge with a crystal ball. VIX up 14.5%. SPX is down 1.2%, but 1.55% from the open. Well, I need like a real number. Are you saying 6,000 above, or are you saying 5,901 above? Oh, we're below 5,900. We clicked below it. SPX still has $8.5 expected move. Chad, can I interest you in a 10 wide?
No, I'm not interested in a 30 wide.
What do I got to do to get you into this 10 wide?
It's brutal. This is pretty brutal price movement. Price has moved 100 points today. NASDAQ down 2%.
Getting dirty.
Did not see this coming.
All right. You prediction guys. Here's a VRR that expires today. If we close above 85, we can put it on for a credit. If we make a big bounce above 20, you can make over 1,000. So above 885, small profit. 59.20 or above is max profit.
This is kind of like FOMC crash.
All right. Can adjust it to a low of 58.80. So you got 12 more points to the downside. Thing doesn't feel like it's one of those days where it wants to bounce.
My power hour puts would it be worth 310 right now? Thought I held them.
Oh, I forgot. I've got some. See what my BIC puts are worth.
340.
I just sold some for 25 cents. Oh, I just sold some for $2. Helped a little bit. Down to 58.90. VIX, almost to 19. Wooga's going to need a miracle. Where's Wooga when you need him? Back above 02. Just need another 20 points for Wooga. We'll begin business. No problem. 05. See what stocks are doing. Tesla's getting a little leggy. Microsoft getting a little bouncy. Krish, if we hit 59.20, your crystal ball is officially broken. O5 butterfly still under $1 with less than 20 minutes to go. Not sure Mahomes is coming out to play today until the very last minute. All right, next little rollover. Oh, kind of stalled out at 05. Yeah, that is not good price action for Delta Neutral. Little tiny pockets of consolidation. You just entered a bearish one? So the lower expected move was at 59.63. So we're a smooth 63 points below. NASDAQ was at 21,500. We're at 21,135. Big boy move. Let's see, what do we have tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday the 8th. We've got some more employment data pre-market, also Waller speaks pre-market, and then FOMC meeting minutes released at 1 p.m. Central. Getting some consolidation. Still get 5 wide, Chad.
Yeah, no thanks.
All right, thought I'd try. We only got 13 minutes to go. See what a 5 wide Wuga would do. 5 wide Wooga for $5. Risking 515, about 1-to-1.
It sounds good in theory to do it, but in reality, no.
Yeah, we need a pin between 05 or 5,900 and 05. Yeah, I don't know. Discount. I don't know if this sell-off has kind of priced that in already or not. We've got CPI and PPI next week, so see what the market does after those reports. Back up to 05, 1 minute till MOC. Need a big buy side number, like 6 billion. Tesla's still bouncing. $1.02 billion sell side.
Well, that's not what we wanted.
Not what we wanted, unless the market decides it wants to perceive that as too low. Sitting at 06. I mean, we bounced from 91 to 07 in the last 15 minutes. Why not 5120 is my question. Why not? Why not us? Why not today? I mean, if for nothing else, to just show Krish that his crystal ball's broken. Likes that 05. '05 butterfly is at $1 something. You're with me, Jay Russell, right? 5,900 butterfly, trading for about a $1.10, $1.20. I got to figure something else. My toss is still grinding. Working a 5905 fly for Mahomes. Up to 08. Keep pushing. All right, working a 5910 as well. Got about 5 minutes. Tesla's still bouncing. We're at 10. Like my 10 butterflies only traded for a $1.55.
I need 20. Come up to 20. Let's go.
Let's go 20. I'd love a 20. I would love a 20 print. All right, just working an 05 and a 10. Got 4 minutes. My 10 looks like it should be filling. Filled on the 10s. All right, let's go to 15. Three minutes. Moel's taking one for the team. Let's go to 20. One of my Woogas needs 20. The other needs 15. Mahomes needs a move away from 10. Preferably up. Two minutes. Sitting around 09, 08. '07.
It was a nice try. I mean, it was a nice bounce, just not good enough.
Below 07 would be a winner from Mahomes. One minute. That Wooga with 15 minutes to go was looking good now. Between 05 and 10, I think I said. '08. My prediction, my 30-second prediction is 07. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. 5909.06. Mahomes is a loser. Wooga's a loser. Krish is a loser. Just kidding, Krish. Krish's crystal ball is not yet broken. It's still in full effect. All right, all. That is it for today. Tomorrow, Chad will be streaming live in the morning at the open. We'll be back for Power Hour and hopefully a better day tomorrow. I didn't like today much. Tomorrow's going to be better. Talk to everyone soon. Cheers.